We relate a lot to DJs because they take other people's things and they put it together to create something totally new. The question, of course, is what is a shoe? It just holds your feet in place and helps you stand and makes you taller, right? So this is the iPhone mashup shoe with working iPhone inside, you can see. And on the base of the heel there's iPhone cases, but it's fully functional. It's formed for a size 37 shoe, so they actually work, and I've heard they're pretty comfortable. I haven't tried it myself.
What we are seeing now is that designers are starting to understand the new possibilities that they're getting with this technology. And they are exploring new shapes and new structures and new functions. And again, this skull is a really good example of that, because you can see the very intricate small detail on the outside. This is 3D printed nylon. It feels a little bit rough to the touch, but we can also polish it or even dye it, and then we can make it really smooth, like cast plastic, if you like. If you're talking about other materials like our silver, it feels just like the real thing. It's solid silver. It feels exactly the same.
This was also another test to show that, look, it's not just a prototyping piece, it's something that's functional, and whatever your measurements are, it can be custom fit just for you. All of our iPhone cases are 3D printed as well, and yeah, they do an amazing job of protecting and also, you know, functional movable parts. You know, the traditional models is you have to print thousands and thousands of pieces to be economical. And for us, we can create a concept, we can create a design, put it online, even if it's just a rendering, it'll still be able to be printed, but it doesn't cost us anything. We can come up with a design every single day, and if somebody catches on to it, then it's perfect. We just print one, we print 5, we print 100, and each of them can be individual with their name on it as well.
We have seen lots of communities emerge, and of course I work for Shapeways, so I have the strongest focus on that. And people are starting to discover ways of working together, even though still most designers do their own thing. They are in their office, in their home, creating a new object.
We set up a website called Cubify where users can upload their products, which means that they can either just buy a normal product that's shipped to them. It's made locally near them. So if you're in the US, you can have it in the US. If you're in Europe, it'll be locally produced instead of everything far, far off. And that's just the physical product. You can also purchase digital files. So if you have your own 3D printer at home, you can purchase that digital file and print it at home.